What's up guys? Welcome to another cheese review. This is episode 2 and today we are gonna taste a new cheese. It's not Norwegian this time, luckily, because I don't want to do that again. So today we have a Dutch cheese. It's a Dutch cheese from Friesland and it has cloves and seaweed with it. Um, I don't know why you put seaweed in cheese, but you put it around rice with sushi. So who am I to judge? Yeah, it does come from Friesland, which is like the worst part of the Netherlands, which is kind of unlucky. But what can you do? What can you do? In case you don't know where it is, I grabbed my little map here. Right, you can see here Netherlands, and like this province right here, this one, that is Friesland. It's like not a good part. And look where the little X is drawn. That is where the farm is that made this cheese. The farm is Farm de Gelder. Um, it's a pretty good farm because another cheese they make, Tienthaler, it's a pretty good cheese, right? Because when they try to make that cheese, they try to make a different cheese first, but then they into that one, and there was a bunch of gas and whatever in the cheese, which they didn't want, but they tasted it and it was good. And now they make it and it's really good. So, unless they're like bad and they just into that one and can't do anything else, I expect this cheese to also be good. But we'll have to see, yeah? So let's unwrap it. Yeah, let's go. Let's have a look. Looks a bit scuffed. You can see all the seaweed. Can't really see the cloves. Putting cloves in cheese is something they do more often in Friesland, and it's pretty good because it tastes quite strongly of cloves, but not too much, right? So it's good. I can't really smell the cloves in this one, nor can I see them. Um, just smells like cheese. Like I don't know. Can't smell seaweed. I know it's you're supposed to smell seaweed. I don't know. Can you smell that? You should be able to smell cloves, and I can't. So that's a bit weird. Like I don't know where they got the seaweed. Like because they have the ocean. Like there's the farm. And they have the ocean like right there or in there. So maybe they got it from there, but I'm not sure if you can eat seaweed from there because like the land dries up there. The sea dries up there, right? Every day from this part, so you can walk there. So maybe they pick the seaweed there. I don't know. Would be a bit weird, but Friesland, you never know with these idiots, right? So only one thing to do. Yeah, let's just taste it. Don't want the rind because that's not edible. Just cut that off. There we go. Also, I'm not putting it on bread or anything. That if you're supposed to eat it as it is, and if it's not good, then it's never good. Because just make it good. Yeah. So let's see. I mean, it's very soft. So it's not probably not aged very long. You can see the seaweed. I can't see the cloves, nor can I smell them. But maybe you can taste them because that what matters, right? They just forget to put the cloves in or something because it's just not there. I mean, you can taste that it added something to it, which is like the seaweed. It's just that doesn't have a very strong flavor. It's very mild, not particularly unpleasant. But I'm like, why bother going to the sea if this is all it's going to add? Like if they would have added cloves, it could have been good, right? But they probably didn't because like the flavor is just not there. So I don't know. I don't know. 2 episodes scammed both times. First time I get scammed because the Norwegian people tell me that they can make good cheese and then they make that fucking mess. And then now I'm told there's gonna be cloves in my cheese, and these fucking Frisian people they just don't put any in there. Like it doesn't taste bad, but why tell me it's gonna have cloves if it doesn't have cloves? That's just rude. I don't know. I'm a fucking scammed, man. Every like Okay, if anyone has a suggestion for a cheese that I won't be scammed by, maybe next week we'll have an episode where I'm not scanned. That would be good. I'm just fucking tilted by this shit, man. Like, it's fine, but don't tell me there's cloves when there's not. That's just not fair. I don't know. Maybe next week I won't be scanned. See ya, guys.